putting things in things. So I'm doing an old heart transplant, mate. The motor's telling me. Right now.
The pipes never connected.
No, up.
Just connected to your life.
Connected to that one. That's connected to that one. Fuck knows what else is connected to that other one.
Can you find the bolts, the nuts? After the head fuck of having to move this from there to there. The dog's in.
You fucking serious, guys?
Yes. So we got Jack under the motor.
Oh,
We got Jack ready to put the box in.
bro.
He's not feeling confident.
Oh, fuck, let's just do it. I just nearly had a heart attack. I was like, is that Russ, cunt? It's not, it's just do it. Oh, thank fuck for that.
Yeah, well, it's gotta go in, and he's not feeling it.
Yeah.
He's done. But yeah, we're gonna get it in. See how we go. It's gonna be a mish.
Put it in gear.
So a little bit of a boo-boo. I'm just gonna describe this with one of the AU TICKFORD motors that Jack's got sitting around. What he's done with the NC was he's left this flex plate, dinner plate, whatever you want to call it on. And now because that's on the motor, we've had to take the box off. So he's gonna have to put one of these ones on, which is a manual E-series one. And that'll fit because the bottom bolts with this plate don't line up. You gotta either drill holes or make it work, so better off just to put that back on. So we'll get to that when we get to that. Who knows when, who knows. And this one right here is the old motor out of the NC. That is actually an AU motor and was converted a few years back. But she got tired and she probably done rings or something, was blowing a bit of smoke. But yeah, should be good when he gets the TICKFORD motor that he's built into this thing. Should sound mini. This is something you rarely do, wouldn't it?
Yeah, no, it's still a lot of work. It's not my own shit. I like dirty boxes.
Like dirty boxes.
Yeah, it's good boxes.
His theory before was
It was a dirty slut with a clean motor.
yeah, a dirty, yeah, okay. Nuts. It was a
Good heart.
yeah, a nice slut with a good heart and a dirty box. Yeah. Very fucking nice. Motherfucker. That hose clamp. Must have been a bigger hose clamp because it's got a long end on it.
Are you ready for this week?
For what?
Gearbox?
Bro, I'm doing the motor on it. I'm getting keen.
Fuck you.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
What? No, I don't want to fuck
Should
you.
be tight enough. So yeah, this motor is in. Shit's starting to get fucking bolted up. Jack's fixing his clutch fuck up.
Fuck you.
But yeah, it looks so much better with a red top. I don't know, it just pops more. Before it had that silver one. You know, fucking a little bit of looms in, fuel hoses, fucking, what else?
Clutches back on.
Clutches back on. It's the other side for the E-Series Flexplate. So he's getting there. Can you fucking believe it?
You said yep.
Said yeah. Oh, you hear that?
There's thunder coming.
Fucking oh, the wind's picking up. The box is on. The exhaust is in the way. You having fun?
It's bolts in it.
At least it's on.
Fucking oath. It's a huge relief. Fucking finally chucking the ECU in, a big deal today. Okay, we've already put the chip in. That was a fucking bit of a process. Definitely read the instructions. Powered by the Smiths. So we're just going to replace that there. And hopefully it should run good. Hopefully. Righto. Fuck, it's a moment of truth. The ECU's in it. 30 litres of fresh 98. The battery hooked up. Hope it all fucking works out well. That don't fuck me. Didn't run the fucking MAF sensor light before I tried to start, so no wonder's running pretty bad. So I know the timing most likely gonna still be out, but we got a fucking temporary MAF sensor hose. Well, fuck, see if it can't start again. So we just run through a few fucking starting problems. I've got a wire off the throttle body that I need to resolder, so it won't idle. But yeah, and I got to tap the dash too, fucking thing. So yeah, put one of the wires back on, got it idle. Oh, that's fucking fat. I'm in love. I'm in love, boys. I'm in love. Fucking yeah!
Don't mind the PVC pipe. He's thinking about building a snorkel. Fucking hell, man. Yeah, fucking hell. Yeah. You gonna leave that up? We gotta get to the back of this fucking thing. Gonna be where the note is. Tire's a little bit flat, bud. Look at the revs. It might need a slight adjustment, but I think it's very close to being good. Still wearing itself in, obviously, that little bit. We're gonna do a rundown, quick rundown. AU? Black AU?
Yeah, that black one. It's got a big cam in it. Bit of metal shape off the top. It's just all standard normal shit. They would normally do. Nothing special.
Yeah, but what's it actually got?
Just a pro cam. Stage 4. A 20,000 shaves off the head.
And
some oversized valves, valve spring,